guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this really pretty, neutral, normal, formal work from home makeup look. And trust me guys, when all of this started, I was taking this work from home thing extremely lightly, but then it hit me with a truck, and these days I have to attend almost 2 to 3 Zoom meet, which I think is quite a job. So basically, अगर आप ready नहीं हुए होते हो तो वो meet वाली feel नहीं आती है. Ready in terms of mental state, physical state, which also includes dressing up and makeup. So this is going to be really helpful and बहुत easy makeup होने वाला है. I'm going to make it in like 5 minutes without blabbering much. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so starting up with moisturizing my skin, I am using L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence Serum since I want my skin to be moisturized for long, and this goes 10 layers deeper into the skin and moisturizes it like anything. Now for covering my under eyes, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in the shade Nude Base. Going to mix it with my fingertips only since, come on, we are too lazy to use brushes every time, every day. Moving on, I am using L'Oreal Paris Matte Magic Compact for even tone. Going to do it really fast, but just don't forget to cover your entire face and neck. Now for my brows, I am picking up this brownish black shade from Maybelline the Nudes palette, and I am just filling my brows with a normal touch, not going over with it. With this brow brush, I am going to brush my brows. Don't know from which brand it is, but does the job perfectly. To add more volume to the lashes, I am using Maybelline New York Hypergirl Volume Express Mascara. And how can I skip my favorite part? Next up, for a very crucial part, I am using Maybelline blush in the shade Peachy Sweetie. Going to use this as a blush, a bit like an eyeshadow as well, just going to give it a natural pink finish. As I said, this makeup look is just perfect for all sort of Zoom meets. To line my lips, I am using Miss Clear lip pencil in the shade Romantic Pink. It is more like a nude pink shade. And now I'm going to use Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade 5, that is Stay Exceptional. The shade is just perfect for a makeup look like this and stays for almost 8 hours. So this is the final makeup look. Body simple hai, basic hai, and within 4 to 5 minutes you can create this look. Also, it suits perfectly with all the hairstyles, a bun, high pony, or just keeping it open. It looks amazing.
So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this and found this helpful. Most importantly, give this video a thumbs up, comment down which makeup look you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe to this channel. I pyar you guys. Bye bye.